Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, here are 15 applications that you may start using today to earn money quickly using only your phone. Let's go. Number 15. Wouldn't it be amazing if you were paid to do stuff like walking, driving, biking, or even using the bus? It is the fundamental idea underlying the Miles app. Install the app, create an account, enable location services, set it to set it and forget it always, and then your miles will be automatically logged by the app, and you may later exchange them for gift cards and other prizes. Now, how much money you may make with this app will only rely on how frequently you move. So if I were you, better get those feet moving. What if there was a way for you to earn money on your phone or even on your computer just by using it? Well, for number 14, Peer to Profit accomplishes just this. The software immediately gives you money every single month just for having it installed on your device once you just download it to your phone or even PC. Wait a minute, that seems a little suspicious, right? Well, to assure you, all the software does is sell all of your spare internet bandwidth to advertisers, internet firms, and marketing agencies. Simply click the sign up link on their website to get started and make easy money. Moving on to number 13, Observa. Through this app, you may use your phone to take images and respond to a few questions to earn money through PayPal. As a result, you would take a picture inside the app and then submit it. On occasion, the app will offer secret shoppers possibility that will pay you to shop or go out to dine while acting as a mystery shopper. The average work only takes 20 minutes or less to complete, making it incredibly simple to make money. Number 12 is a software that will reward you with up to 100% cryptocurrency cashback for making the same purchases you would have made either way. The Social Good app is an innovative and ambitious worldwide effort based on blockchain technology. With the Social Good app, you can purchase at more than 1,800 of your favorite online retailers, including Walmart, AliExpress, eBay, and Home Depot, and earn up to 100% cryptocurrency cashback. Additionally, as SG is listed on well-known exchanges, you may swap it for other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USD Tether, or you can automatically earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards on all of the SG you possess. The Social Good app currently has over 2 million users, and over $50 million in cashback benefits have been distributed through it. Now, number 11 is an app that you've probably never heard of before but deserves to be on the list. Go and check out 1Q. Basically, the way it works is that after installing the app, it will start sending you really brief surveys to complete for payment ranging from 25 cents to over $3. But what makes this app special is that you are paid through PayPal right away after responding to a survey question. Since there is no minimum withdrawal amount, you can get paid right away for every survey you complete. As mentioned earlier, you may anticipate making between 25 cents and $3 for each survey you complete. Most surveys are only 1 to 4 questions long and are quite brief. Next up, number 10 is an app that comes from none other than the online retailer Amazon.com. Yes, Amazon provides a mobile app that you may use to quickly earn money. You may use the Amazon Shopper Panel app to share receipts from purchases made elsewhere, complete quick surveys, and turn on ad sharing to receive incentives every month. Simply submit 10 qualifying receipts each month through the app to get started. By doing this, you will earn $10 which will go toward your Amazon balance, which you can use to make purchases on Amazon.com. So, utilizing the program, you may anticipate making at the very least $10 every month. One of which is number 9, a software called Eureka, which is even better than the last one. Eureka is an app that enables you to do brief surveys and receive an immediate cash payment. There are 3 different methods to profit from Eureka. The primary method is clearly conducting surveys, but there are other methods to get money as well. For example, you can join cash contests to win even more money, and you can get free money every single day just for completing daily pools. Number 8 has the potential for you to make thousands of dollars in a matter of minutes. Weeble is a stock market investment software that enables you to get passive income through stock dividends and free stocks in exchange for signing up for an account. When you deposit only 1 cent and use a Weeble link, you can receive up to 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000. Imagine signing up for a free Weeble account using a simple link, link your bank account to your Weeble account, depositing only 1 cent, and you'll receive 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000. It truly is a no-brainer, right? Now, once you have the app installed, it would now be a fantastic opportunity to think about making an investment for the future. So, number 7, well, you can use the Mobi app for secret shopping. By providing comments on the stores and restaurants that you frequently visit or dine at, you can receive incentives. In essence, the app will quiz you on a variety of topics related to the establishment you're in, and when you submit your responses, you'll be compensated for your efforts. For each task you finish, you'll receive an average reward of $5 to $10. Most of the time, it just takes a few minutes to do one of these jobs. That's a win-win. Number 6 is a website called Global Adventures, which will pay you up to $100 to walk, bike, or fly a drone across your city while recording the landscape. Sounds nice, right? Simply go to globaladventures.site, select Submit Video, and respond to the following questions on the video you intend to submit. One hack you can do on your iPhone, and sure enough that the same capability is available for Android device as well, is to open the iPhone settings, scroll down to Camera, choose Record Video from the menu that appears, and then choose 4K at 24 FPS. Your videos will then seem much more theatrical if you choose the 24 frames per second option, giving them the illusion of being of higher quality. Number 5 on the list is the Hire Car app, where you can easily generate a steady stream of passive money by renting out your car to drivers and gig workers. A lot of individuals desire the ability to be their own boss, setting their own schedules, taking vacations when they want, and being their own boss. Well, thanks to the ever-expanding gig economy and applications like Uber, DoorDash, Instacart, and dozens of others, doing that is now way more possible. But there's a problem, which is that not many individuals have nice, reliable vehicles they can use to earn money through those cool sharing or delivery applications. There is where Hire Car comes into play. You can start making hundreds of dollars each week by renting out your car by simply downloading the Hire Car app and selecting Rent a Car. For number 4, with the help of Misplay application, you may find new games to play and gain points for doing so. Then, you may exchange your points for a variety of items like prepaid Visa cards and Amazon gift cards. Unfortunately, this is the only application on the list that is only accessible on the Google Play Store for Android devices. Prices by Gamey, though, is a fantastic option you can consider if you own an iPhone. With that application, you may play games and get paid with real money, much like Misplay. Many people claim to make between $5 and $10 each day playing games on those applications. You are being paid to do something that you would probably do anyway, which is to have fun, so that honestly is a great deal, right? Number 3 is an app that few people are aware of, Mindstorms, which offers higher payouts than most survey-style applications out there. The lowest compensation for one research on this app is $10, and many studies pay as much as $50 per study, just to give you an idea of how much this app genuinely pays. What precisely is this app then? With the help of the app Mindstorms, you may apply for studies, record short video replies, and then be paid. Simply put, it's that simple, and PayPal will pay you within 24 hours. It's important to note that your videos must be clear and at least passably professional in this context. Now, depending on how many questions are in each research and how much you earn, all studies will pay you between $10 and $50 each time. One thing is for certain, though, you wouldn't mind working for 5 minutes and getting paid $50, right? Well, with number 2, all of this is achievable if you use Pinata. Using the app earns you amazing benefits only for verifying your own time rent payments. So, on the day of rent, you'll check the app to make sure you paid your rent on time. You will then accumulate Pinata cash, which you may exchange for gift cards and incentives. The app also offers a great feature where you can shop in their deals marketplace to save money on daily costs. Rent payments can also be reported to all the major credit agencies if you so want. You may anticipate receiving roughly $20 in Pinata cash each month, which you can use to buy gift cards and other incentives. Since you must pay rent all the time, you may as well get compensated for doing so. You pay money, and at the same time, you earn money. Great! Finally, number 1 on the list is an app simply called Make Money. Simply make money, earn easy cash, that's it. Making money with Make Money is therefore as simple as downloading the app, create an account, and then starting to do various activities. Surveys, providing feedback, evaluating services, and even playing games are all the tasks you need to do. Many games will include detailed instructions on how to obtain your points. For instance, after you complete level 21 of a certain game, say Mafia City, simply playing the game would get you 53,000 points, which would entitle you to a $50 PayPal reward. You may earn between $50 and $200 or more each month by merely playing different games and completing surveys, depending on how frequently you really use the app. The reviews are confirmation that it is a real application that performs as advertised. With almost 500,000 ratings and a near-perfect 5-star rating, you can tell this app has plenty to offer. Therefore, download the app and start earning money if you wish to earn money with Make Money. Those were the 15 applications that can possibly earn you easy money from simply doing tasks that you normally would either way in your daily lives. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!